That's
I think I lost connection to the internet because my Skype was lagging real bad for a while there.
Wait, Trey. I'm gonna write stuff. See if it changes for you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It must just be you, Chris.
No. Let me reconnect. I'll refresh.
There you
the
go.
page.
You're back.
Okay.
Yeah, it just shows you reconnecting, but it doesn't show your
Oh,
edits.
okay. Now you're back in the Hangouts. You're fresh in the
Yeah.
Hangouts.
Your edits
Well,
haven't shown up yet, though.
Kind of.
Oh,
Now I'm just leaning back, looking. Oh,
there you go.
come on.
Yeah, you're good.
We're
now.
all on the same internet connection, so I guess this means we have to blame our laptops.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of bandwidth. So it doesn't surprise me.
I mean, we could all change the quality of our bandwidth for Google
Yeah, we could.
Hangouts.
Did that affect the screen recording though?
No, the screen recording is local.
Would it be hard to just have it be like Skype where it's peer-to-peer? Because it seems like it would save a lot of bandwidth.
He doesn't have Skype installed. And
Well, I could have installed.
No, I mean I'm just like thinking for Google, like if you're gonna if you're gonna make a video chatting program, wouldn't you just want to make it peer-to-peer?
Well, because some MSW blocks peer-to-peer connection, which you can't torrent.
Well,
I don't think that. Yeah, but that's not all peer-to-peer.
no, yeah, because Skype works.
Yeah. Like,
I never knew
they
Skype was
probably-
peer-to-peer.
I think they just block peer-to-peer on certain ports.
Is Skype
So you just got to change
not
the
server
port
based
so you
still?
have
Like,
BitTorrent
everything
client.
not like. I find it really hard to believe that it's actually peer to peer
Yeah.
No, yeah,
Wouldn't
it
it-
is. Why
Really?
would it not be?
because it's a Microsoft product. It's like the same thing. Wouldn't it go through?
It didn't start off as a Microsoft product.
Yeah.
though.
I know, but it seems.
Very insecure.
It,
Yeah.
it probably only just goes and finds their current IP that they're logged into through their profile, and then just makes that connection there, and then the other person accepts the connection. So
This sounds like a big deal to me.
Let's hold off on this workshop and go investigate this.
make a how now brown cow model for Skype. God dang it, my thing just isn't even.
Yeah.
I want to work so hard.
But the funny thing is, the Hangouts is working for you. This-
We get to see me eat yogurt.
Oh, there we go. It finally went in there. So we're good now. A lengthy process involves physical paperwork and hours of.
So Skype used to be peer-to-peer, like a closed source peer-to-peer architecture, but then once Microsoft bought it, they deprecated
sexy
the old
time.
Skype protocol,
Hours of sexy times.
and but it's still closed source, and so you don't know how peer-to-peer it is. TLDR. Okay.
Hours of work. And a tiresome verification process.
Oh man, do you think they took that one class?
What?
Wait, we haven't taken verification, have we?
I took verifications,
Wait, did we?
Wait,
Yeah.
like verification,
like
soft-
testing, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the right class. Never mind.
That was like a.
That was the
A
worst
core
class I've ever
class.
taken.
Yeah. Alright, so. What feature?
What does the feature look like? Maybe.
Let's have it move more to electronic base.
Trying to think of a way that does it that isn't like really insecure.
Because I know, we have. Every school has a school code.
What if we did like, instead of them filling out all this paperwork, they sent an application intent to post or whatever like that, and then we enlisted some third party background company or whatever to do the checking. That way, the school wouldn't be liable for doing all this paperwork and something like that.
Alright, so we make it easier on the schools and ourselves by having someone else do background checks on the schools.
There's a website called, what is it, College Apps or something like that. It's some foundation we can, maybe pull their database. Just school in there.
Yeah. I guess the other option would be just assume that they're who they say they are.
Or we can use like for like financially, like you have to go like through FAFSA because
Mhm.
FAFSA like has lists of every school, so we just use that information as well to verify legitimacy.
I don't know how they do actual verification. You know that. Because like wouldn't want people posting applications saying that they're some school when they're
Yeah, that's
like,
what I'm saying. Like we'd want probably actual physical paperwork that
yeah.
would say that, and that's what's in the current process.
Yeah. Okay. And then like cross-reference with the school website.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm not really sure the best way to write that out.
Future.
What is the name of our company?
What? What's the name of our company?
Yeah.
Isn't it Scholarship
Scholly.
Bus?
No. Well, our team is Scholarship Bus. But
Oh wait, Scully? Is that what it is?
Schooly. So
Scully is.
Future.
only it could fit. I'm gonna have to make this bigger.
Oh, and that's the other thing is like we're not only dealing with schools, but also like other
Private,
organizations.
like private nonprofits, like
yeah,
Yeah.
say Gates or whatever.
yeah. So that's like a different complexity too. So that's why I think if we have a third party company who like specializes in it, it would mean more overhead for us. But I think the ease of use for the organizations would
Yeah.
overcome that.
It's easier for us too because then we can have an outside source who we can trust
Yeah.
who has to do all this stuff for us. But else have to do all the detective work. So
No. Anyone want to help me make the what now? Or the how now?
I was in how future, which I can branch off.
I'm sorry.
What am I looking for? School/foundation. Request to post. To request a post. Let's see what else. Verify legitimacy.
And what do you do?
I'm reading the PDF.
There's a lot of arrows.
What does that second bubble say? Does that say verify?
Legitimacy.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna copy and paste their I could all start data here.
Do you want me to start on the persona?
Is that something we need?
It's not something that we do in the workshop.
I don't think so.
It just says fully develop one persona for your project, so
Yeah, right now what we're doing in the workshop is the
These one models.
right, just the how now models.
yeah.
Where's the
your butt. Oh yeah.
It's messed up. And then what's the third business?
Yeah, we need to decide on
I'm gonna delete this brown cow, by the way.
that.
Wait,
Brown
so
cow's one.
Okay, now that we've done these two, guess we need to choose one more.
just applying. I mean, we've got people subscribing, but what about actually using the service?
I feel like that's something we should get from like the interview.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It was going to be one of the ones from the interview.
And I guess some of the really uneventful ones, like edit personal information and stuff like that, I feel like we should save for the 5 like whatevers.
Oh yeah, those.
Should well, what about awarding scholarships? Like, if someone applies and they get the scholarship, do we just go do like? Is the program gonna like show them what
Like a
the
notification?
award is? So like, is it gonna show here's what you've been awarded so far, or is it just gonna be like?
I don't think so. I think we
No.
just deal with the application, and then everything else goes through like the
Yeah.
organization. Like we're
Yeah.
out of that.
Yeah.
that was it. I was
We could do like something with the premium, either sign up or renew.
Yeah, we could do
I guess sign up.
signs
probably.
up for
Yeah.
premium service.
what's premium service gonna offer that? No, like, isn't it paid in the first place?
No,
No.
No.
Oh, frick.
Just no ads.
no ads, and then maybe some like autofill stuff. I think we
Hey,
were talking about.
why did you throw the premium service into another column?
I did not mean to. I was trying to highlight it.
Nope. No.
Know what?
You've done it again.
What did I do?
You selected like the whole table and then the entire row.
I don't know what you're talking about. I just have it all highlighted for me.
I don't know why you need it all highlighted. You just need that.
Bless you.
Good bless you.
No.
Alright, is there like a premium service or something like that for,
My
The
College.
microphone's been off this entire time.
Yeah, we had it like that. So
Yeah.
like, you want to get the
Yeah.
cost feedback.
Basically, his is just picking it up.
Oh, okay, works.
so
I thought these
like
were
for
directions
Common App, is there any like
yes.
premium or anything?
No, you just have
These
to
all
pay to
direct
send out the
links, so
application or
they're
something
all
like
Oh,
that.
really?
No, I think you have to pay like for an ACT score or something, but
Oh, okay.
something silly like that. But I don't think there's a premium unless it's changed since.
I guess what I'm saying is like, how can we write like a what now for, like a premium service?
We can look at other premium services for.
Well, that's what,
Yeah.
that's what I was trying to think about.
Yeah, like I haven't seen at a previous service like for the same service we have for like premium services in general.
Can we just say that it doesn't exist?
What?
Like it doesn't happen right now?
No, because there are premium services for other services.
Oh.
Yeah, like that's what I was trying to say.
And say those are the current implementation of this sort of thing.
Yeah.
What can we do to improve it?
So I guess like right now, the ad removal thing is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's actually what I was just thinking.
Okay,
Was
and then we can improve on it by like adding like.
adding more ads that get removed.
But we can like add like the autofill.
Oh yeah,
option.
yeah, the autofill option.
Okay.
I feel like I remember you talking about that
Yeah.
at some
okay.
point. but you're gonna have to explain that in better detail. You
Yeah.
can't just say the autofill option.
The autofill option.
You can have the Siri autofill and Google Now autofill.
And this is just for like the premium service in general. I mean,
Yeah.
we'll have signs up for premium service, but in general, it's just the features of the premium service.
Pretty much, we have so many ads that every time you click something, you get an ad. So you have to buy the premium.
All the ads are just for the premium service. Have you heard?
Turn into Pandora.
Have you heard of our premium service yet?
Remember the day where like Pandora had like it was like ad free day or
Yeah,
whatever like that?
they still had an ad talking about the free day.
I know, it was so horrible. That's
It's
what I
like-
heard.
Does Pandora have or still have the like limit on time if you don't have a subscription? They used to, and
Oh, like it clocks out like after 2 hours.
Yeah.
Like, are you still listening? Yeah,
Oh yeah, I think it does.
yeah. It's
well,
like,
no, it was like there was a limit like per month of how much you could listen.
Oh.
It was
oh
a
yeah,
long
it was
time.
only on mobile devices though.
Was it?
Yeah, like that limit is only on mobile devices. Like if
Oh,
you're on a
okay.
desktop or laptop, it's fine. It was like 50 or 60 hours. I haven't.
Yeah.
I don't listen to Pandora that much anymore.
Yeah,
but
I've never
Neither do I.
reached it.
I just use YouTube and I
Yeah.
hit the instant mix
Yeah.
on whatever like music video thing.
I just use the Spotify web player because you don't get ads from it.
I used to have
Look
when
at-
my old Android I had it rooted, so I used to have like Pandora One and like
Oh,
YouTube
yeah.
ad blocker. Oh gosh, I shouldn't set that on webcam. NSA's on cable
Yeah,
now.
NSA is not going to get you.
Our webcams are always on, so it's not like it matters.
Apparently now they have a not like it's the law, but like they can apparently like check your email, like your employee emails, or like up to a certain limit without having to ask for permission or something.
No, they lost a lot of it with the Patriot Act. They can't do a lot of the stuff they used to be able to do.
FBI though.
Well, the FBI is an actual investigative organization, and they have to go through courts.
Yeah.
The NSA never actually did anything with their information publicly, so that's why they were able to get around all of that stuff because they were never in a courtroom.
Oh.
I mean, it's still
Okay.
illegal, but yeah, they weren't using it. They weren't using it to be admissible in court, so they didn't care.
Oh, okay. Me and so tired of these how now brown cows.
I don't know if I should add anything more for the what now, but
Ads are removed for premium service fee.
is there like a drinking fountain in anywhere in the towers? Right there.
Literally right there.
I'm glad you call it a drinking fountain, not a bubbler.
I'm not from Wisco.
He called it Westco. God. Was it that hard to put the consonant on the end of that?
That respect we had for you is now gone. Oh, whoops.
And so,
Throwing this arrow literally everywhere. Alright,
user profile.
what happened to the table?
There's a table.
Look on all the other slides. There was a table.
Oh!
What happened to the table?
Maybe there still is a table. Maybe it's just
Here, can we just re-add the table?
Yeah, I just
Here, I got it.
re-added.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you undo or?
What?
maybe somebody hit the grid lines.
No.
It wasn't me.
Blame
Don't-
Zach.
don't-
I'm always gonna blame Zach. I mean, he like threw the part of the table into one of the cells in the other table, so.
We asked you to do one thing, man.
You
I'm
delete
ready.
everything.
You had
Yeah.
one job.
I don't remember doing that.
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta throw this into the background now. Order send. Oh no, send to.
Do we have all the signed release forms for the video interviews?
I can't answer that right now. Hold on, let me put myself on mute.
So So wait, did I really delete something?
We have one legitimate one signed. We're going to be signed. I have to forge the other.
Works for me, I guess.
Alright.
He could read your lips. Now you've done
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Now I can type.
it. Congrats.
Register.
Alright.
Payment.
I think yes would have sufficed.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh man.
It'd be okay.
Will it? No. I'm putting a lot of faith in you.
Well, that's your first mistake, but
I mean, we have
Clearly. No, I know.
I'm looking for insert. God damn, where's the equation? Shoot.
There we go. I think that looks good.
Yeah.
Just like pops out of the circle the entire way. Oh, jeez. I wish it was better at actually putting the text into the circle without like throwing it absolutely everywhere. This connector going to the center of the circle.
It wasn't letting me connect to the edge, so like,
Oh, just gotta go like that.
Maybe because I'm too lazy to make a new one. That's gonna. There we go. Let's look.
Oh, I can't fit it. I'm scared.
What?
It's not fitting.
Make it fit. Make it fit.
Maybe I can throw this here, and then I'll throw the stored data over there. Oh, it might work.
Alright. Alright. Okay, there we go. Can we just move this air? Oh, yeah. Move this one just over
Yeah.
there.
I think we
Like,
can
oh wait, crap.
Oh no,
Okay, I got it. I got this. I got this. It's gonna be okay.
it's too late. I already fixed it.
Damn it. Now I'm stuck here. Alright. There we go. Maybe we should just use straight arrows.
Nope. Straight arrows can't
Do that.
bend.
Well, yeah.
that.
That's kind of the
Melt
idea.
steel beams.
Yeah,
Wait, now
straight
we're,
arrows
now
can't
we're
melt
covering
steel
up the
beams.
how now.
Shh, it's just the ow now.
Ow, no. That is pretty ow right now.
There we go.
The hour.
Oh wait, now it's going on to the border.
That's okay.
Oh wait, now we're back at.
Oh my god, what have you done?
You could just make
Okay,
the
no, come
the
on.
table just a bit bigger.
Just, yeah, actually, that probably sounds like the easiest thing to do.
Wait, no. Don't do it. Don't break it. Don't break it. We're fine. Shh. It's gonna be okay.
You guys
So,
don't
yeah,
call
we
us
did it.
Kristen
We did it.
implode.
It fit. No, it doesn't fit anymore.
What?
You guys don't call Kristen to implode. So I was thinking, this is pretty much one workshop still, right?
We're just gonna split it into two
Yeah.
videos.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Cool.
There we go. We made it all fit. It all fits.
Nice. Not this arrow. This
Okay,
arrow's way
fix
out.
that arrow.
All right. Good job, guys. Team effort.
We
Oh,
managed.
no. Yeah, that arrow too.
Alright. See. Can we? Can I just copy all of these?
Who's making this other diagram?
What other diagram?
You don't even have these connectors connected.
They were connected.
No, they weren't.
Well, from my angle, they're connected.
Oh man, did not paste if I wanted it to.
And then your letters roll sideways and flapping about. And do you even have directional arrows on any of yours?
Nope.
No.
Oh God!
You,
They didn't want to curve. They were just going straight. So like, screw it.
What is it doing with the stored data? It's like, what is it getting back from the stored data?
Well, it's storing data twice. I was just too lazy to make two stored datas.
Well, they're different stored datas.
He knows what I mean, though.
does he?
He gets the gist.
I don't think he does. Broskither. Oh God! Now.
Oh, right.
Time.
Oh man. Arrows are hard.
See, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go like that, and then we're gonna move this one up here. All right. And we're gonna move this over here. And then we're gonna move this back there. All right.
And
We're good now. Oh God damn it! You put this arrow backwards.
Hey Chris,
Yeah.
have you done anything with the next lab for database systems?
No.
I thought about setting up the stuff, but I didn't really feel like it.
You guys want to work on that after this?
I don't know.
Because then we can just have it done by the time the lab rolls around.
Yeah, but then I mean we.
It's not like we can leave that lab early, really, either, though. That's
Yeah.
the thing. And it's, like, setting that stuff up shouldn't take all lab period, anyways.
Yeah, because we have O'Neill after that anyways, so there's no real point in leaving early.
Good point.
Well, we can probably get the whole thing done in
3 hours.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, once again, there's no point doing it because we have to, like, you can't really leave the lab early. That's
Yeah.
my experience. Like, first week lab, I had everything done, and then I still had to sit through there. So,
Yeah.
I'm probably going to go to the CC and just chill. That O'Neill test kind of annoyed me too, though.
Did it? I
Yeah.
look at 94 or something.
screw O'Neill.
I had 82. I missed a couple stupid things.
That was on camera.
Dr. Dennis already knows.
Dr. Dennis is probably O'Neill's friend. They hang out and play golf.
Oh, God. Dr. Dennis did not be friends with O'Neill. He wears a beret.
No, but the only thing that hurt me on the O'Neill test is I got to the mod table. I'm like, crap, I forgot how I do these.
Oh.
Like I knew how to do mods, obviously.
Yeah.
It was just like, wait, what's the I know the pattern again.
Did you like lose points on that?
But you get some mod
No,
tables?
it just took me forever, and then
Like
I
mod
lost points on other
multiplication
stuff because I had to it took me like 5 minutes of like, oh yeah, then I got it.
I messed up on the multiple inverses, or multiplicative inverses.
Oh, yeah. I got -3 on that.
Wait, how far are you guys in? Like,
What are we doing now?
Right now we're doing least common divisor or some shit
oh,
like that.
yeah, that's what we're on to. Like, I think we skipped all that crap. Like, we did like mod
Yeah, so
Wait,
far,
we have.
chumping.
Oh yeah.
Like, he skips all that. Like, what do you guys multiplicative inverse?
With induction.
Yeah, we
did
started with
so much
induction.
We didn't do that.
Yeah.
Tons of modular
You guys
stuff.
did like hex and binary and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grant was telling me about that.
We didn't do any of that.
Why
Which is
is
garbage.
Like
So why
we're doing
did
all
you
the easy
do
stuff.
X and why did you guys do induction? Why we do
Because
induction and they
Neil
not?
has a huge boner for induction.
You can prove everything through induction. Okay.
God. Does he make you guys do proofs in
Yeah, we had two
What is-
induction proofs.
What
Oh
is
my
the
God.
user profile sending to the user?
Whether or not
For-
they have premium service.
what is
in
it
the
say?
in the first one.
Did I do that one? Yeah, I did.
And
that
then the
one.
user profile isn't even connected to anything. What do you do?
Trey's like, I'll just draw arrows and see what happens.
Did you
It's
get
the flow chart from hell.
what did you get on the first homework?
I don't know. Wait,
I got a 100.
This
on the
past
first
one?
homework.
Yeah.
19.
Out
Yeah,
of like 25.
yeah.
Oh, okay. I got like a 23.
Well, sorry, we're not all expert drawers.
Here, hold on. You gotta check this out. It's pretty legit.
Mine's just like thrown up together, like
See, look at
pushing it
this.
said that either, but
Look at this work context diagram, and then look at these business use case diagrams.
Oh wait, you guys are talking about that one? Yeah.
Look at
oh
that.
man, you put so much work into that. I did mine on sheets of paper.
Oh. No.
Have you guys seen this? Look at that. That looks pretty legit.
I don't want to look at it. It'll make me feel bad.
Oh god, I don't know if you can. Here.
You can just share your screen, can't you?
Oh, I can share my screen. I forgot we were in the Hangout. Well, I forgot that was a feature of the Hangout.
Like,
You guys get to see Brett's face as well.
Cool.
oh no, this is quiz one.
But yeah, see, this is that,
Mm.
and then this is the business use case 1, and then this is business use case 2.
Yeah, that's about what mine looks like, except a little bit less good.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough.
How did you get those arcs to look so good, though?
What do you mean? It's
My-
literally the same thing in the Google Drive.
He's a PowerPoint guru.
He,
I
like, has,
tried
like,
and I
an
could not get it to look like I wanted it to. It was horrible.
I just put the compass
Like
on my
he
screen.
takes a compass and draws on his screen and he, like, gets the line and you go, yeah.
Oh, now I know what this is supposed to be doing. The user is supposed to update the user profile.
Then
Like once they connect with Facebook, they update any changes they want to make.
wouldn't that be like?
I don't know.
Because they don't interact with multiple things through that boundary.
Oh.
Otherwise, that's another use case.
So let's not do that then. Don't want one of those. And it's going to connect right there.
Yeah, if you think that's good, it should.
Put a non-arrow connect because that's too hard.
Because if they're going to,
I think so, yeah.
oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make it an arrow, but
Okay, in the top, there are those buttons.
yeah.
No. Go back to that button. Go to the right. 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 There you go.
Oh, that's so much.
Well, you don't always have to go to the right that many times. You're gonna shrink that down, and then you just gotta do that for all of them.
God, why?
Well, because that's what happens. Oops.
I think I only just store data once, maybe.
No, yeah, you only store it once, and it doesn't give anything back. It's not. I don't know. I originally did that based off of the
Oh man, gotta fix all of these now.
but like with the verify stuff, you do. It does like it sends something back from the stored data
Mhm.
because you have to send like, hey, here's my data, verify this, and it goes okay, and then it verifies it and sends it back to this verified legit Macy.
It's a legit Mason story, you know.
Well, at first it was a smaller screen, so I couldn't see the red line. But there you go.
So wait, is he really gonna watch all these workshops?
Yes.
Because he has probably like what, 7 or 8 groups
Yes.
between the 2 lab sections,
He's going to watch every
and that's like at least 2 hours of workshops per group.
If I were him, I would sit down on the couch and hook up my computer to the TV. And,
Well,
like, get
see,
some
this one takes
popcorn.
him like a couple of weeks to grade a lab, so
Yeah.
I know, but that's still like 16 hours at least of
Mm-hmm.
video to watch.
which was he's a paid teacher.
But that's still gonna be horrible. I don't want to watch this. This would be really boring.
You probably sits down with his wife like, hey, look at these kids. Look at this ridiculous assignment I'm making them do.
There we go. Boom. Skizzle. I think we're done with these 3.
Okay.
And it's
Nice.
it's 1, 2, 3, 4 right now.
Yep. Sounds like a
Oh.
good place to end for me.
Like, what the hell are you talking about?
So,
You gotta get these into the thing, I guess.
Yeah. So just kind of
Unless we could just make all 10 of them in here first, and then
like
them
that's
over.
what I'm thinking. We'll just
Yeah.
keep making slides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep throwing.
Then use the
them.
almighty snipping tool.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well,
that's fine.
I'm gonna see if I can just paste this line.
I tried. It didn't work out too well.
Boom. Oh, it pasted space.
Ha! Got him. Just use the snipping tool.
I would,
But
but I will.
oh, okay.
Oh.
That was confusing.
That was
Yeah.
confusing.
Hey, you said but.
Yeah, but I uninstalled snipping tool. He was using too much disk space.
He was using too much dedicated WAN. How do I snip the snip?
Oh, wait.
You hit copy.
No, you can.
Which one want all the white space?
Yeah, I thought you could crop the snip.
Oh.
In Paint you can.
Yeah, but you know how Chris feels about paint.
That's the only thing Paint's good for is cropping.
Not a paint's good for a lot of things.
Don't you lie.
You should make all the white space transparent. Just 'cause you have one like a colored background.
That's one thing I don't like about GIMP though, is when you do set color to alpha channel, and it'll set like your white to alpha channel, but then that means that everything that has a shade of white in it, like green, will be partially transparent. So, like all of your everything in the picture is just partially transparent. It's like, I just
All
want
of your
everyone.
everything.
Now I'll snip. Student subscribes. Man, look at all these arrowheads that are now on it. It makes so much more sense.
You're not updating. I don't think. Did you just paste that into the doc?
I pasted one a long time ago.
Yeah,
Boom.
you're not updating. And your face is frozen again.
No. How is it yours every time?
My computers suck. It's just a fact of life. I've come to accept it.
Oh, there it
There you
goes.
go.
See. Get out of here, Steve.
So look, if I stop recording the
Yeah.
session?
No, it's not, because we're still doing things.
Oh wait, no, it's not.
We're snipping it up.
Oh, sorry.
You'd better record as this last one goes in. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Boom.
Nothing. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's up there. Man, those are some pretty snazzy.
Yeah. Look at those health futures.
Look at all those arrows.
Alright.
It's the arrows that make it, man.
Yeah.
I move to adjourn this workshop.
Sounds good.
Motion accepted.
Are you even
A
going to
second.
call a vote? I mean, you're just.
Are we
I need-
supposed to like have fezzes on to do this?
I need a second first before I can call a question. Yeah,
Do
okay.
you second this motion?
I do second this
All
motion.
right.
Okay,
All in favor, say aye.
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 Alright.
All right.
Boom.
I was like,
Adjourn.
hold on.